Hello guys, this is MA Studio. Don't forget to share and subscribe my videos for more Dragon Ball stuff. We are starting this year with a Dragon Ball video. This video is certainly something particular because I share a very interesting infographic with the main novelties that await us for this next year 2021 for the world of Dragon Ball. Practically a summary with everything that is officially confirmed to premiere during this next year. But first, before continue today, the official page of Anime of Dragon Ball Super Throw from Twitter published a message dedicated to all Dragon Ball fans on commemoration for the New Year celebration 2021. Let us remember that in Japan, due to the time difference, the New Year 2021 has already started, and some celebrations as usual among these was the popular Kohaku Uta Yasin, which in Spanish means the Battle of Songs. This is done every December 31 and during the arrival of the new year, and this year the singer Yoshikawa, who is precisely the singer of the second opening of Dragon Ball Super, and then to know how to give 2020. I sing the opening limit break for Survivor with just this second opening. The point is that the official account of Dragon Ball Super Throw Twitter launched a message thanking Kiyoshi and Kogwa for their participation, breaking the limit and signing the opening of the Survival Saga of the universe. But the last sentence of the Dragon Ball Super post mentioned the following: to all kind regards also for the Dragon Anime Ball in 2021. The phrase of course or refers to there will be finally be a Dragon Ball Anime in 2021, or is it a page error, or is it a trolley or end of the year, or they would simply be referring also to the broadcast of the 131 chapters of Dragon Ball Super already previously announced. The interpretation of this message, I leave it to your discretion. If you want to see the original tweet, it is on the official anime page of Dragon Ball Super through Twitter. And now, if we see the infographic with everything what Dragon Ball has prepared for us for this year 2021, and be very careful with this is because quite interesting projects are coming, and it is that although 2020 was the worst year for most, in 2021, as you have a slight hope of that things may be different this time, also take into account that the list may increase during the year, since we do not know what surprises we may eventually give. The first of the infographic, the retransmission of the 131 chapters of Dragon Ball Super as they follow from some way or another. This means that Dragon Ball Super return next year. It will exactly be in the month of February, but the bad thing is that it will be a broadcast of the 131 chapters that we already know. This was unveiled at the Jin Festa event, and it was revealed that the channel where they will transmit these 131 chapters again will be a channel called Buzz Fuzzy TV. This is a channel affiliated with the original channel. Is something like, I see that in addition to the main channel, it has other brands such as HBO Plus and so on. Both the retransmissions of the 131 chapters will be on the secondary channel. So to speak of figurative buzz, we do not know at the moment what the rhythm of the broadcast of these chapters, if it will be one per week or 5 episodes per week, or maybe to all chapters throughout the week. But it may also be a Dragon Ball strategy broadcast of the 131 chapters, so that later, immediately after the new saga of Dragon Ball Super in the anime begins, it would be quite interesting, but always clear when it is released at least a chapter from Monday to Friday. And well, the other things that has prepared us next year for Dragon Ball is the new project that we have been talking about for quite some time. A few months later, it was revealed that this project would be a website exclusive to Dragon Ball, but with different languages. In other words, is the attempt of Dragon Ball bidding on internationalization. There is already an official Dragon Ball website where they share all kind of news, but these are in Japanese, and now Dragon Ball would share all the same news, but for the public outside of Japan. A couple of months, a new web domain was enabled for Dragon Ball, which we made mention here on the channel. But after several weeks, the Dragon Ball website is finally updated, and you can already see a little of the content that will go hosting. But be aware, it is still a simple update, is not quite complete, but we can see, for example, the official logo of the new page, that it will be a Dragon Ball official beta site. You can see it will also have some sections that will include this new platform. For example, a section of I Start, another news, another of the highlight, another of videos, and another of articles. In addition, these sections are available in Japanese, English, French, and Spanish. Therefore, we can see in real time everything that is revealed in Japan but translated into our language. And be very careful with this, because if we enter to the source code, we will find that the word broccoli also appears a little rare. The truth will be a project related to broccoli soon, or it will only be a separate category. We'll see what else we will see in 2021. Without a doubt, the new saga of Dragon Ball Super. It is finally started with chapter 67 issued in December, marking the beginning of a new arc that promises a lot but will only be in this year 2021, where we will see the complete development of this new saga. The new for joining Granula, whose name will be the title of this new arc, has the whole look to become a potential major character or villain, being really ends up doing it while somewhere in the universe Goku and Vegeta are also in the Galactic Patrol celebrating the world defeat, and tremendous was the surprise when an unexpected character appeared with them. As they see, the new saga of the Dragon Ball Super is also without doubt one of the most anticipated things of this 2021. But not only that of Exceed, but there will also be a new saga of Dragon Ball Heroes. I had previously told you that Heroes would have been a new bow, which it will start from the month of March, and now we finally have more details for dealing into this. Means that the promotional anime you have to continue broadcasting even more chapters, and possibly we will have new episodes for all this year 2021 and even part of 2022. This new saga of Dragon Ball bears the title of the space-time, and just by the title already gives us to understand that it will be a war between the Time Patrol along with the warriors of the line of Super Goku and Vegeta against the space-time army of the new Demon King. But be careful with this, because we will also see Hertz, the old one again, villain of the previous saga of the Universal Conflict, this return, and it seems that now he will join the side of the good ones. That is, he would team Goku and Vegeta. Apparently revealed their official design for this new saga, in which we can see him with an outfit like a prisoner, while I still have the halo in his head. What else will we see next year? Dragon Ball Super manga in color manga. In its color version is no small thing. We have also learned about the palette of colors, the real ones of the new character in the Moro saga, and also color palettes of some scenarios and others. And well, this next year 2021 we will continue to see more official manga colors thanks to digital improvement, and as of this January 3, Volume 12 will be released in color, including this. You see the battle of the Galactic Patrol prisoners against Gohan, Piccolo, and the others, and also even the Vegeta training on the planet Yadira, and throughout the year. We'll see the entire development of the saga of color wall, which paint quite well, and now the latest Dragon Ball and the video games could not be left behind either, because during the next year 2021 we'll continue to enjoy more updates for current games of the franchise, among which stand out Dragon Ball Fighter, Destiny, Beer, Legends, Play, Battle, and much more. So in conclusion, there is a Dragon Ball for a while, and good friends, here the latest Dragon Ball news for Save the Year 2020. I wish you in the same way a good and prosperous year 2021. As always, thanks for watching this video, and until next time.